Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Instagram account to the newest versions. So Instagram always updates its apps and there are so many features, so many new updates on the app. And if you don't update your Instagram account or Instagram app, you'll know you will not have the newest feature on it. So through this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Instagram account. First, the easiest way, you can just find Instagram on your Google Play Store or App Store. You can just open the Play Store, for example, in here, since I'm using an Android phone. Now you can click on search and then just type in Instagram, and you'll see my Instagram needs update. So that means that I'm not on the latest version, on the newest version on of Instagram. So there is a update available in here, so you can just tap on update in here, because if you don't update the app, then your account is not on the newest version and you'll probably don't have any new features on Instagram. So just wait until the updating process is finished. But if you don't see available updates on Instagram in here in the Play Store, you can just go to the settings, and I'll show you after this updating is finished. Okay, so now it's installing. That means my Instagram is now on the newest version. Once again, if you don't find the update available, you can just go to the settings on your phone and then find the app settings in here that says app, this one, and then just find Instagram on the app list. This one's right here. Click on Instagram. So what you need to do in here is go to the storage and cache. Now you can just either clear the cache or clear the storage, and after that I suggest you to restart your phone after you clear both the cache and storage. Or the last resort, you can just uninstall the Instagram app first on your phone. You can tap on uninstall in here, and then you can go to the Play Store again and then reinstall the app. So that's all for me. That's how you can update Instagram account to the newest version. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.